Factoring polynomials. Let's start with the first one, getting the common factor. In getting the common factor, you need to see the every terms and get their common factor. Like this example, x squared plus 7x. Their common factor is x. We will be having x plus 7. Why? Because x squared divided by x is x. 7x divided by x is 7. The factor form will be x times x plus 7. Next example, we have x cubed plus x squared plus 2x. Again, the common factor with this one will be x. X cubed divided by x is x squared plus x squared divided by x is x plus 2x divided by x is 2. The factor form is x times x squared plus x plus 2. Next example, 4x plus 16. 4x plus 16, our common factor will be 4. And we have x plus 4. Why? 4x divided by 4 is x. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Last example, we have 10x squared plus 5x. Our common factor, looking at the numerical coefficient and literal coefficient, will be 5x. And 10x squared divided by 5x is 2x. 5x divided by 5x is 1. We have the factor form 5x times 2x plus 1. Next is sum and difference. How are we going to factor this one? X squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y, x minus y. Let's have example x squared minus 4. You can see perfect square. Then you can easily distinguish by getting the square root. So x, the square root of x squared is x, the square root of 4 is 2. Then plus and minus, x plus 2 and x minus 2. That's it. Next, x squared minus 36. Looking at the pattern, we have square root of 36 plus 6 and x minus 6. Now, how are we going to factor x squared plus 2xy plus y squared and x squared minus 2xy plus y squared? You need to distinguish their signs. Okay, first, let's have this x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Based on the pattern, we will be having x plus y squared as their factor. Example, x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to, our square root of x squared is x, and the square root of the last term, that is 4, square root of 4 is equal to 2. We have the factors x plus 2 and x plus 2. Now let us check. X times x is x squared. 2x plus 2x will be 4x. 2 times 2 is 4. Or simply, we write it as pattern as we see the pattern above, x plus 2 raised to 2. Next example, or next in factoring, will be the same as we did in number 3. The only difference is the sign. How do they differ? We have the factor of x squared minus 2x plus y squared is equal to x minus y squared. Example, x squared minus 4x plus 4. How are we going to factor it? The same as the factor of the above example. The only difference will be x minus 2 and x minus 2y. X times x will be x squared. Then negative 2x plus negative 2x will be negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. The factor now, in simplest way, will be x minus 2 squared, the same as the above pattern. The previous examples are all about binomial. How about this cube? Especially this x cubed plus y cubed and x cubed minus y cubed. Let us discuss how to factor it. First, we will be having the example x cubed plus 8. Okay, this is perfect cube. First, you need to get the value of x and y based on the pattern by getting the cube root of the given example. Then the cube root of x cubed is of course x, and the cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, looking at this x plus 2, we will be having the next factor, and that is x squared. Why? X squared is x squared. Then, multiplying xy, that is 2x. Remember, we need to have the opposite sign for the second term. That's why that is negative. Next will be y squared. Our y is 2. Therefore, our last term will be 4. Okay. That's it. That is how we factor x cubed plus 8. Next, x cubed minus y cubed. We have x minus y rather times x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, x cubed minus 8 is equal to the cube root of x is x minus 2. Okay, the other factor will be x squared, then the opposite sign. What is the opposite sign of negative 2? That is plus 2x plus 4. That's it. The only difference is their sign. How about this one? This usual factoring. X squared plus a plus bx plus ab. We have the example x squared minus 3x minus 10. The important here is the first term and the last term. Okay, we have x squared, therefore we will be having x and x. Since x times x is equal to x squared, how about the last term? We have negative 10. The factors of negative 10 are 5 and 2. We need to see the middle term, that is negative 3x. Since the sign is negative, the bigger number should be negative. Alin ang bigger? We have 5. Therefore, that is negative 5. Putting it to factor, we have x plus 2 and x minus 5. That's it. Again, this is how are we going to factor polynomials.